Hi friends, welcome to another video of basic mainframe navigation. So we have completed few of the navigations already in the previous videos. This is the fifth installment of that. So today we will discuss how to sort data in a file without using a JCL. Okay. So using JCL, we can obviously sort the data in ascending or descending order, right? Using sort utility and sort fields equal to the field name length and the character or binary and ascending or descending like that. But without using a JCL, how we can do that, that I'll show you. So this is a file. I will open this file. So this is the data currently we have. Let me remove this dot first of all. So this is the data currently we have in this file. Okay. So we have around 15 to 16 records in this file. So we will sort the data based on ascending or ascending order. Okay. So actually not for the 15, 16, there are more records. There are 72 records actually in this file. Okay. So we will sort the data in ascending order of it. So this is a name field. In this file, we have only name field, nothing else. So see first Vikash, then Steve, then Aaron, Rahul, Arun, Arjun, David, Steve. So these are all in a random manner in this file. So what I will do is I will arrange the records based on these names in ascending order. How we can do that without using JCL? So you have to write sort. They have to write the starting position of the field name, which is one in our case, because we are comparing the date, comparing the name field. So name starts at first position, the length of it. So length, let me consider. So there is no name, I think, which has a which has more length than Vikas. So let me call 6, or let me call, to be on the safer side, 10. Considering there is a name which has the length 10. Okay, so I want to sort the records based on the name field in ascending order. So I have to write sort, then starting position, then space, then the length of the field. So sort 110, press enter. So we'll see the records have been sorted in ascending order. Aaron, all the Aarons have come first, then Arjun. Even though Aaron and Arjun start with A, so whenever the first letter matches, it will go to the second letter, which is A for Aaron and R for Arjun. So R comes later than A, so Arjun, then Arun. So Arjun and Arun in both the names AR, these two are common. So it will go to the third letter. Third letter is J for Arjun, U for Arun. J comes before Arun. So Arjun will come before, then Arun, then David, Rahul. If you go down, then Steve, then Vikas. Okay. So like that, you can arrange the records in ascending order using a file, using sort command. Now, if you want to save it, there are many ways of saving it. Since I have opened this file in view mode, you can either do rpl space dot zero space dot zrf, then you can give the file name here only. Otherwise, if you want to save this data in some other file, you can write cre space dot zero space dot zrf. You can give a new file name test.ps2. Okay, so whatever data is there in this file will be copied to another file. So means create. So create another file, copying the records here to and pasting there in this new file. So press enter. So it is asking you allocate using attributes of this. That means, do you want to create this new file with the same attributes as the input file? So if I want to create it, I will give one. Otherwise, if you want to put something else, you want to choose option 2. Manually, you have to put the parameters like your space, DCB, and all of that. So press enter. This new file has been created. Now, if I go to start 3.4, okay. So test.ps2, if you open this file, see the data has been copied. Okay, data has been copied and it is also in ascending order.